My name is Jason Cook, and I'm the market manager for machinery and mining here at Hotstart. So the previous jobs that I've held at Hotstart are starting in production. I worked as an assembler in the cords department and eventually moved into the industrials group, or what we know as the large engine systems group now, assembling larger palletized systems, larger heaters. And from there I went to actually assembling what we call auxiliary power units for locomotive heating systems. And from that group I went into sales and customer service, field service, and spent a number of years as a field service technician, and from there have actually advanced to a market manager position. So the education that I received was basically high school level education. I graduated from high school and learned mostly on the job. I had some background with mechanics and things like that, working with my hands, just as a hobby and as some past jobs that I had had. So I believe some of those skills were very useful in me becoming a field service technician. Well, in a typical day, a field service technician, if we were based in the office, we might handle troubleshooting calls remotely via email or phone call. In some cases, actually fax machine, believe it or not. We've got customers still using that form of communication. Other tasks might be order entry or quotations. If a customer needs a replacement part after I've done some troubleshooting, then I would use our internal computer system to generate a quote or a PO and get the parts shipped out to the customer that would need them. They might also, a day might also include certain tasks like working with other groups in the company, other engineers, to try to complete, maybe there's a job task related to a troubleshooting call, and maybe it's a follow-up with a certain group or individual within our company. And then getting also back to the customer if we've got some internal communications that need to happen. If we are out of the office, a typical day as a field service technician might be traveling to the job site, meeting with a customer firsthand, maybe going through a safety briefing and getting sort of a lay of the environment that we're going to be working in. If there's any specific task that we have to try to coordinate, we would be working with a group that we meet in the morning with to try to coordinate those tasks, and also meet any of the other individuals that might be working with me. From there, it would go to finding our product, unboxing the product, and getting the site prepped for doing installation. In some cases, it might be just a troubleshooting call, which wouldn't require all of the installation, aspects of the job. It would be more of travel to the site, meet with the customers, find our product, and determine what the problem is. Maybe there's some troubleshooting that needs to be done. Use of hand tools, some electronic components, multimeters, things of that nature to determine what might actually be occurring within a control box or a sub-level component of our systems. Personality traits that are important for the job are you need to be dependable, you have to have openness, you have to have great communication skills, and be able to work with a customer and kind of work through any adversity that you might be faced with. There isn't a lot of math and science used in the job. I'd say just the basic levels, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. If somebody really wanted to learn more and delve more into mathematics, we're not doing advanced trigonometry or anything like that, but if someone wanted to learn more about fluid dynamics, that would be applicable to our job, and say like fluid movement and heat transfer, things of that nature. There's definitely vertical growth opportunities with the field service technician position. It allows you to learn so many different aspects of the company, the customers, how to integrate yourself into different situations with customers or with potential customers. So it really allows you to learn key, vital and key skills that would allow you to, again, vertically move within the company.